GPT is a type of artificial intelligence created to replicate human-like writing through the use of machine learning. This technology has been pre-trained on a vast amount of data, allowing it to generate text that is often indistinguishable from that written by a living, breathing human being. This means that instead of laboring away at your keyboard trying to find the right words, you can simply input a prompt and let GPT do the heavy lifting. One of the most impressive aspects of GPT is its ability to adapt to a wide range of tasks. It can be used for language translation, summarization, and even question answering, among other things. This flexibility makes it a valuable tool for a variety of industries, including marketing, publishing, and even education. But how does GPT actually work, you may ask? Well, let me tell you, GPT is made up of several components, each of which plays a vital role in its overall performance. The first component is the input layer, which receives the prompts that you provide. This prompt can be anything from a simple phrase to a lengthy paragraph. Next, there is the transformer layer, which is the heart of the GPT model. This layer is responsible for processing the input and generating the output. It consists of various sublayers, including attention, feed-forward, and normalization layers, which work in harmony to ensure that the output generated is coherent and grammatically correct. Finally, there is the output layer, which generates the final output based on the input and the processing that takes place within the transformer layer. This output can be a single word, a sentence, or even an entire document, depending on the task at hand. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds rather complicated, but fear not, for GPT is surprisingly easy to use. All you need to do is input your prompt, sit back, and let the model do the rest. It's that simple. The beauty of GPT lies in its ability to mimic human-like writing. It's not just about generating text that is grammatically correct. It's about generating text that is engaging, persuasive, and even humorous. This means that GPT can be used for a variety of purposes, including marketing copy, social media posts, and even creative writing. But as with any new technology, there are concerns around its potential impact. Some worry that GPT can be used to spread misinformation or even create entirely fake news stories. Others are concerned about the impact on employment, as GPT could potentially replace human writers in some industries. However, I choose to look at the brighter side of things. GPT has the potential to free up our time and energy, allowing us to focus on more important tasks. It can help us communicate more effectively and efficiently, and even allow us to express our thoughts and ideas in new and exciting ways. In conclusion, my dear friends, GPT is a marvelous invention that has the potential to change the world. It may not be perfect, but what invention is? I believe that with careful consideration and responsible use, GPT can be a valuable tool for all of us. So let us embrace this new technology and use it to its full potential. If you want me to make more content related to AI and data science, please like this video and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be kept up to date with my latest videos. Leave a comment down below if there are any topics you'd want me to cover. Thank you.